rockers so we can get to the head and see what sort of mayhem we got going on there. Nut in the center is how the thing is fastened in there. Dan, are these adjustable?
These are not adjustable.
Yeah, okay. So the Ford doesn't have adjustable rockers there. So he pulls out the push rod and the rocker. You can see the push rod here. It goes up and down off of the camshaft, which is in the center of the motor. So this push rod gets pushed up and down, and it runs on this rocker. It rocks back and forth. That's why it's called a rocker. You can see this valve is closed. It's all the way up. This valve is open. The cam is pushing down on that one right now. So when he takes this one off, it'll release the tension on the valve. And you can look down the row here and see which ones are open and closed. And he'll remove those, and he'll keep them in order as they come off. He's going to lay them in the valve cover in order as he removes them, because they are wear sensitive and you want them to go back on the same valve and push rod. Some vehicles they're adjustable, but this one they're not. And there's a bearing inside this shaft here that allows it to turn more easily, allows the engine to develop more power and rev faster with less wasted energy.